Follow the steps on how to create a simple image cutout effect like this in Photoshop. Let's start by creating a new document. Insert a background image. Next, enter the image you want to edit. Select Subject. Refine the details using the Quick Selection tool. Click Make Mask. Select this layer, then add a new layer. Use the polygonal lasso tool to create the cutout lines. Next, add solid color. Choose white. Double-click the layer to open the layer style and add a drop shadow. Select these two layers, then click the link. That way you can freely move or resize the object. Finished, and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.